The structural integrity and reliability of advanced materials obtained through Additive Manufacturing Project, or SIRAMM for short, aims to significantly strengthen research in the field of additive manufacturing, or AM, in the Politehnica University of Timisoara in Romania. This 3-year project will be focused on the implementation of knowledge transfer activities, including 3 winter schools, 3 workshops, 2 conferences, and seminars for students and companies. This will be achieved through a network involving 2 internationally leading counterparts at the EU level: the Norwegian University of Science and Technology in Norway and the University of Parma in Italy, working alongside the University of Belgrade and the Institute of Physics of Materials, Academy of Sciences in the Czech Republic. With the help of this network, we plan to enhance the scientific and technological capacity of the Politehnica University of Timisoara and contribute to increase its fundamental knowledge in the field of additive materials, help raise the research profile of the leading institution, as well as the research profile of staff and young scholars from the 3 widening countries participating in the project: Romania, Serbia, and the Czech Republic. Finally, we would like to create a hub of excellence on additive materials in Eastern Europe by engaging with the scientific community, industry, and society of the 3 different widening countries involved in SIRAMM. SIRAMM, for better, safe, and durable AM components.